Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I'm drawing healthy fruits. Let's draw in color together. Let's draw banana. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits in the world. They are sweet, soft and super yummy to eat. Bananas grow on big plants that look like trees and they come in bunches. Bananas give you energy. They are full of vitamins and minerals like potassium, which helps you keep your muscles strong and your heart healthy. Fun fact, the inside of the banana peel can help soothe an itchy mosquito bite. Let's color together now. The yellow banana is ripe banana which is ready to eat, and the green color banana is raw banana. Let's draw in color strawberry. Strawberries are bright red and juicy and super sweet. They are one of the most tastiest fruit and favorite of many kids. Strawberries grow on small green plants close to the ground. They have tiny seeds on the outside of their skin. Strawberries are full of vitamin C, which helps you stay healthy and fight off colds. They are also good for your heart and keep your skin looking nice. Fun fact, There are over 600 types of strawberries around the world. Let's draw and color pineapple. Pineapples are big spiky fruit that are super juicy and sweet. Pineapples wear a crown of green leaves on top like a fruit king. Pineapples grow on short plants close to the ground, not on trees. Each plant grows just one pineapple at a time. Pineapple tastes sweet and a little bit tangy. Pineapples are packed with vitamin C, which helps keep you healthy and full of energy. They are also good for your tummy and help you digest food. Fun fact: it takes about 18 months for one pineapple to grow. Let's draw and color avocados. Avocados are green, creamy fruit that grow on trees. They have a big seed inside and smooth or bumpy skin on the outside. Avocados are full of healthy fat that give you energy and help your brain grow strong. They have vitamins that keep you and your body healthy. Fun fact, avocados don't taste sweet like other fruits. It tastes like cream. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.
La 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 la